WHO declares end to COVID emergency. What does this mean for the world? The World Health Organization, WHO, is a specialized agency of the United Nations responsible for international public health. Established on April 7, 1948, the WHO is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, and has over 7,000 employees working in more than 150 countries. The WHO's primary objective is to promote health and prevent diseases worldwide, with a focus on providing leadership on global health matters, shaping the research agenda, setting norms and standards, and providing technical support to countries. The organization works to address health challenges such as communicable diseases, non-communicable diseases, mental health, and environmental health. The WHO is funded by member states and other donors, with a budget of over $4 billion for the 2020-2021 biennium. The organization is governed by the World Health Assembly, which is made up of representatives from member states and meets annually to set policies and priorities for the organization. Over the years, the WHO has played a critical role in addressing global health crises such as the Ebola outbreak in West Africa, the H1N1 influenza pandemic, and most recently, the COVID-19 pandemic. The organization has been instrumental in providing guidance and support to countries in responding to these crises, including developing testing and treatment guidelines, coordinating vaccine distribution, and providing technical assistance to healthcare workers. Despite its successes, the WHO has faced criticism for its response to various health crises, including accusations of inadequate funding, slow response times, and political interference. Nevertheless, the organization remains committed to its mission of promoting health and preventing diseases worldwide, and continues to work tirelessly to achieve this goal. The World Health Organization, WHO, has declared an end to the COVID-19 global health emergency, nearly 2 years after the outbreak began. This announcement marks a significant milestone in the fight against the pandemic and is a cause for celebration for people around the world. While the end of the emergency does not mean the end of the pandemic, it is a clear indication that the world has made significant progress in controlling the spread of the virus. The WHO has credited the success to the collective efforts of governments, health workers, and communities in implementing public health measures and vaccination campaigns. However, the WHO has also warned that the pandemic is far from over, and the world must remain vigilant in the face of emerging variants and the ongoing threat of the virus. The organization has urged countries to continue to invest in public health measures, such as testing, contact tracing, and isolation, and to ensure equitable access to vaccines for all. The end of the COVID-19 emergency is a positive step forward, but it is also a reminder that the fight against the pandemic is far from over. We must continue to work together to protect ourselves, our communities, and our world from the ongoing threat of this deadly virus. Send.